What is going on, guys? Kenzie here. So this is the very first Raycasting engine I've written in my life, and in this video I'd like to share a beginner's experience on how did I manage to come up with this sort of a simple engines, let's say. So the very first thing to bear in mind that I'm extremely bad in math. I'm total dump in math, and usually people say that without understanding math you can't do 3D graphics. Well, I want to say that that's not true, and the problem is not in understanding math on its own. The problem is to connect the theoretical principle with the practical implementation. And even though there are really lots of tutorials out there on YouTube in regards to how to create a Raycasting engine from scratch, I didn't really manage to follow any tutorial from the beginning and to the very end because I either didn't like the programming language and environment, or the presentation, or dividing the source code into the single source files. So really lots of things I didn't like there. But the most disastrous thing was that nobody really explained that. So it was like explanation of math, which I don't really take much from, and then just a very quick implementation, like, so here we just do apply this math principle, and that's pretty. So without an understanding of how in particular, what in particular the certain math law is actually doing. So I decided to make my own tutorial series on how to create a Raycasting engine absolutely from scratch for beginners, with an idea to highlight the practical application of this theoretical knowledge. So instead of explaining how exactly the math works, I would rather focus on the implementation on its own. So, like, how can we manipulate the certain attributes to get the reasonable result on the screen. And this kind of app that you currently see on the screen is the exact project we're going to be implementing in the upcoming series. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I really hope to see you in this tutorial series soon, guys. So this is it from my side. Until the next time, and take care.